appropriately by the wife of Bali Maharaj. "O my Lord, you have created the entire universe for the enjoyment of your personal pastimes. This material world is Lila Bhumi. It's a place of Krishna's pastimes, and we jivas, Tatastha jivas, we are part and parcels of Krishna. We are situated in this Lila Bhumi of the material world. We are here for the pleasure of the Lord, by the design and arrangement and creation of the Lord. With His intention, His will, we are placed here and situated here in this region, transitional region between external and internal potency. Well, let us play the Leela perfectly for the pleasure of the Lord. Not suffer, but transcend and enter the eternal pastimes of Krishna and Vrindavan." In text 29:30, this chapter 22, describes how Vamanadeva actually wanted to test his devotee Bali Maharaj to see how attached he was, whether he was more attached to material sense gratification or serving the Lord. When Bali Maharaj passed the severe test that Krishna put before him, and this is further proof of the mercy he gave him, of how much mercy the Lord showed to his devotee. Sometimes Krishna subjects his devotee to severe tests that are almost unbearable. One could hardly even live under the conditions which Vamanadeva forced upon Bali Maharaj. Bali Maharaj endured all these severe tests and austerities. That is proof of the mercy of Krishna. Krishna appreciates the devotee's tolerance and forbearance, and he remembers it and he records it for the future glorification of the devotee. Krishna not only tested Bali, but also gave him the strength to tolerate such adversity. This is the conclusion, that Krishna is so kind to his devotee that even when he's severely testing him, Krishna gives his devotee the necessary strength to be tolerant and continue to remain a glorious devotee.